Hello beautiful people. Well, today is a little different because it's been really quite cold up here today and raining, and I was doing some painting out here in my garage, and I thought, well, why don't I stop and just do a little stretching. So this one will be not floor exercises, but mostly standing exercises. So we'll see how we go with this. So standing, feet hip width apart, rolling the shoulders forwards, dropping them back, arms out, stretched to the ground, head just resting gently, and we're just going to take a few breaths in from above and down to below, just to prepare our bodies for exercise. So inhaling from above, sending that deep breath all the way down. Once more, inhaling and exhaling. Okay, just rotating the wrists. As we're rotating those wrists, we're going to take them above. This is probably going to chop off the top of my hands, but you'll be right. And rotate them the opposite direction whilst we come down. Okay, we're going to swing that leg just a few times in front. And swapping sides. And lifting the knees. And kicking them behind. Stretch out the arms, so taking the arms up first, big stretch up here, as high as you can go, then leaning over to the left, and leaning to the right, and left, and right, and left, and right, and bringing them down. Bring the arms behind the body, just stretching them out and down, 2, down, and 3, and down. Bring that arm across the body, just placing that hand here, stretching out the shoulder. And the other way, the other arm. Reaching out in front. Now we're going to go into some squats. So feet hip width apart, we're just going to squat down and up, 2, 3, 4, 5, we're going to do 8, 6, 2 more. Last one. Now we're going to take those arms and we're just going to bring them up to the front and out to the side. front, side, and from there we're going to go into warrior pose. So feet a bit wider than hip width apart, turning the right foot to look over the left side, arms outstretched, turning to look to that right hand, leaning in, looking over to the left one, bringing that left one around, watching it as it comes around to meet the right, drawing the bow back and out. 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to turn to do the same the other side. Leaning forwards, bringing the arm forwards, watching it as it comes back. 2, 3, and 4. Hip width apart legs. We're going to come into our first hang here. So arms up, holding the elbows, and we're just going to bring the body down into a hang. We're going to hold here at a count of 8, feeling that stretch through the back. And releasing and coming up. So once more, second hang. Releasing and coming up. Now we're going to do some calf raises. I've got my ladder here, so I might as well use that, bring it in a little bit. Okay, so feet are together. It's going to come up on 2. And then we're going to alternate and just come up on 1, down, 2, down, opposite leg. Second set. Two more. And down. So now we're going to stretch out these hip areas. So bringing the knee up, holding on the inside of that knee, and we're just going to bring that around, opening up that hip area and back. 2, 3, and 4, and down. So now we'll do the same on the other side. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we're going to move on to our arms. So we're going to bring our arms up, holding here, bringing them down, bringing them to the back, holding the hands and lifting them up. So if I do that from this way, we're going to bring them up and to the back, and then lifting up, up, down to the back, and lifting up. One more, up, down to the back, and lifting up. We're going to go into our second hang here, but this time we're going to cross the feet over. So placing the right foot in front of the left, and we're just going to go into our hang here. This will stretch out the back of the leg. And coming up, crossing the other leg in front, coming down into our hang. This works on your balance as well. Coming up, and do one more on each side. Coming down into our hang. Coming up. And the other side. And down into our hang. And coming up. So now we have a wall here. We're going to do some wall push-ups. So just bringing your feet back to where you feel comfortable, where your best stance is. Just coming into the wall. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keeping your abdominal muscles tight. And now we'll do some balancing exercises. So we're just going to start off with the knee and just some point and flex of that foot. Other side. Now holding under your knee. And then extending the leg out. And back. And down. Changing sides. Extending the leg. And back to knee. And down. So now with that, we'll go into our tree pose. And you can have that at your ankle, at your knee, or at your thigh. Holding here. It's going to slip on my trousers, coming into prayer, and then coming up. Whoa! Lucky I've got a wall there. Coming back down. So we'll do the same on the other side. It's going to slide on my trousers. You might have the same trouble. I don't know, I just can't keep it there. And above. And back down. And to the ground below. I'm going to stretch out those calves now, so just bringing the calf back, leaning into it here. And changing legs. we'll do a back stretch as well. Just hanging here. And up. Rotating the wrists again. The other way. Rotating your elbows. And the other way. Big arm circles. And I'm going to say namaste. That was just a quick little stretching exercise. You might be a painter. You might need to stop and do these exercises, or just take some time out of your day. Till next time, bye.